up guys? It's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Your girl is just all over the place. Oh, how nice is this, you guys? Look at. Oh, thank you, sister.
You're welcome.
Ooh, and it's peach. Today I am going to take you through my filming process. I am filming a couple TikToks for Gwen Stefani's new makeup brand, GXVE. This brand is so beautiful. I'm so impressed with the quality of these products. I love that they are cruelty-free, vegan, certified clean at Sephora. Ugh, all the things. And I'm obsessed with Gwen Stefani, you guys. I figured I would just take you through the behind the scenes and also give you a few tips for working with brands if you are an aspiring beauty, cosmetic, content creator type of person. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I did my hair, how I prepped for filming, and then how I did this look. And yeah, so let's just jump right on into it. I'm going to prep my skin. I'm going to be using the Foreo UFO Mini. So I'm going to use Milk Makeup Overnight Lip Mask. Washed it and finger coiled it and everything last night, and then I just put it in 2 buns so that the top part of my hair stays nice and fluffy without disrupting the curls too much, and then the back same thing. So I'm actually not mad at how we're looking so far. This stuff is so nice. I literally have like none left. So I'm gonna take kind of a lot up in my hands, and then I am going to go ahead and fluff out the rest of my hair. All right, so I think I'm gonna do kind of a faux bang type of look. So I am first going to work on my edges real quick. Now for the bangs, I need some bobby pins, and then I'm going to take my front section, which is going to be my bang, flip it back, pin it a couple inches back, so like right here, good measure. Okay, flip this back forward, and then you can pull and adjust until you get the curls the way you like them. I'm going to separate these a little bit, and also on this side. Okay, so we got our hair and our skin prepped. Now we can start filming. I'm going to, so I just filmed my first shot with the GXVE Beauty Face Oil, and this is a priming and smoothing face oil. It smells so good. So I just did that, and now I'm gonna hurry up and do my base really quickly. I'm gonna set my face with the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray, and I'm gonna go ham with this. I'm filming on my phone because I cannot get this camera to like adjust properly the way I can on my phone. It's preferable to film with the back cam and stuff, but I just can't. I need to be able to see myself, otherwise footage is not gonna look good anyway. Here is my setup. I'm in front of my room, I'm in front of the window. It's about golden hour time. It's perfect lighting, And it's not the most glamorous setup, but it'll do. Lighting is gone. I could try to get into that little spot back here, but I'm pretty sure I got the shot, hopefully. I also wanted to leave you with a few tips if you are trying to work with brands, specifically beauty brands, cosmetics, things like that. Here are a few tips. Invest in some products that you actually like, you actually use, and start making content. And then that way, once you post things, you have a little bit of a portfolio to then pitch yourself to brands that you want to work with. For example, you could like make a TikTok with your favorite mascara, do something cool, and then post it and then send it to the brand and be like, hey, I made this TikTok, I made this video. Would you be interested in sponsoring or gifting me a few products? Gifting products is definitely a great way to get started. I mean, free products is money at the end of the day, right? So tip number 2 is always do your research on the brand. You want to make sure that that brand's values align with your personal brand. So for example, Give Beauty, I don't know why I did that weird dance, but literally, guys, I was so excited to do this because I love Gwen Stefani, and then I was extra excited when I found out that all of her products are clean certified at Sephora, so they're vegan, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. That's something, as I've grown, those are some values that have become important to me, making sure that what you use on your body is, you know, not harmful to yourself or to the environment. Final tip is to be very professional. You should be responding to inquiries within like 1 to 2 business days. And once you are in contact with a brand, make sure you respond to them again in a timely manner, 1 to 2 days. As soon as you get the product, make sure to open it, inspect it, and make sure it's camera ready, because sometimes things just happen in manufacturing or in shipping. So it's important to open that stuff right away. Let the brand know you received the product and that it's okay, or if you need a replacement item. My last tip is to just have fun with it. Be yourself. Makeup, cosmetics, all that is, it's not life or death. It's art. It's fun. It's meant for you to be creative. That's about it. Thanks for hanging with me today while I film. I'm gonna hang with my family now and have dinner. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one.